are you?
I'm good.
Great.
So, with all this different Japanese food that I'm trying lately, one of my favorites is, that really cheap pickle sushi ginger, the thin sliced sushi ginger. But I'm trying to eat healthier because you're teaching me lots of good stuff.
Oh, because the supermarket one is lots of chemical, right?
Yeah, it's pink. It's full of chemicals. So I wonder, sometimes pickles are easy, sometimes pickles are hard. I know. Is this sushi ginger easy?
Yeah, it's really easy to make it, but only this season though.
Oh, why only this season?
Because young ginger, have you ever seen that like white ginger? Like usually brown color, right? But young ginger is like looks white.
Young ginger sounds like an Asian boy band.
That sounds like it. Yeah.
Okay, so a light, like a really light color ginger.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I might have seen that. I saw a ginger that didn't look the same.
A few days ago, I think I took video. I can send it to you. The making sushi ginger.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we called gari.
Gari.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I saw that. Oh, okay. Well, then perfect. I'll just watch that.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Yep. Okay. I'll send it to you. Okay.
Great. Thanks. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
All right. Here are the ingredients. A common trick to this for ginger is to peel it with a spoon. This makes it easier to handle the uneven parts. You might notice that young ginger has a nice and tender texture, while mature ginger is more firm and woody. For both of types, you can use the same tricks to peel them. Then you want to shave off thin slices. For this, you can use a mandarin or a regular peeler. Next, we add the ginger into the boiling water and cook for 1 minute. Drain the ginger, sprinkle with the salt and let it cool down. In a small pot, combine the vinegar, sugar, and salt. Then we raise it to a low heat to help the sugar melt and turn off the heat to let it cool down. Next, we squeeze the water out and put the cooked ginger slices in a sterilized jar. Pour the vinegar mixture into the jar with sliced ginger, making sure it covers it all. After a few hours, you will notice the ginger turns slightly pink. It is okay, this is normal. Young ginger is only available in spring from April to June in Japan. When you find young ginger in the grocery store, you know what to do now. I hope you enjoy this handmade pickled ginger recipe. Take some picture and let us know how it went with the #enkitchen hashtag. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Yummy! Yummy!